In today's video, I'm going to show you how to paraphrase using Grammarly in a quick and easy way, even if you've never used the rewrite feature before. This is a really helpful method if you want to improve sentence flow, make your writing sound more polished, or reword a paragraph without changing the original meaning. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into Grammarly using your account. You can do this through the Grammarly editor, depending on where you're working. Once you're signed in, open the document or text you want to improve. Now, find the specific sentence or paragraph that you want to change. You can click and drag your cursor to highlight the text. This tells Grammarly exactly which part you want help with, so it can give you relevant rewriting suggestions. After you highlight the text, look for the Grammarly icon or the small floating toolbar that appears near your cursor. This toolbar is one of the easiest ways to access Grammarly's rewriting tools without having to search through menus. When the toolbar appears, look for the rewrite option represented by the light bulb icon. Click on that Rewrite with Grammarly option to generate paraphrased alternatives. Grammarly will now analyze your highlighted text and show you several rewritten versions. These options may vary in tone, clarity, and wording, so take a moment to review each one carefully. Read through the suggestions and choose the version that best matches your writing style and the message you want to keep. When you find the one you like, click it, and Grammarly will automatically replace the original text with your selected rewrite. That's the beauty of this feature. It saves time, helps you rephrase faster, and keeps your writing sounding natural. If you want to make the result even better, you can repeat the same process on other sentences or paragraphs throughout your document. Just highlight the next section, use the lightbulb rewrite tool again, and compare the options until you're happy with the final version. This is especially useful for emails, essays, blog posts, captions, and any content where you want a cleaner or more professional sound. So that's how to paraphrase using Grammarly. It's simple, fast, and perfect for improving your writing in just a few clicks. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.